Hello guys, today I want to tell you about so-called global helpers in Laravel. Basically, if you have any PHP function which you want to use throughout all your Laravel project anywhere, in the blade, in controllers, in models, wherever, where do you put that function globally and how do you register that? So let's take a look. Imagine a new fresh Laravel project that I have here, and somewhere on top you want to view something. For example, date. In my current example, it's a blade file, welcome blade. And here I just put the date, but let's make some kind of method, a global function, to show something more interesting here. Like, for example, a motivational quote. For now, we need to create that function where? Anywhere you want. Basically, you create a new PHP file, not a class, and let's call it, for example, in app folder, new PHP file, but not a class, helpers PHP. It's empty, and we just create here function, motivational quote, for example, and then return, for example, you are awesome. And then in your welcome blade, instead of that, you do motivational quote. And PHP Storm, as you can see, already recognizes that automatically. Let's refresh the page and see if it works. It doesn't work. Call to undefined function, although PHP Storm has it, right? So you need to register that file, helpers file, wherever it is, wherever in your project. You may create a subfolder app helpers something. Different developers do it differently, and later in the video I will show a few examples from open source repositories. But basically the same thing, you need to register that file in your composer.json. Composer.json, this is again a fresh Laravel project, so nothing really customized here. In autoload section, you need to add files. And files is an array of, for example, app helpers PHP. Now, since we made the changes to autoload in Composer, we need to run the command composer dump autoload. Okay, and now we refresh the page, refresh, and it works. You are awesome. So basically 3 steps. You create the file with your functions that you want, then you register that file in Composer.json autoload files, and then you use those functions wherever you want. Now, one important thing, since those functions are global for all Laravel project, there's a chance that someone else will create the function with the same name in another file, maybe another developer, maybe previous developer. So to make sure that the names wouldn't collide, so there wouldn't be any conflict, you would have to check if that function exists. So if function exists like this, so if doesn't exist with name of motivational quote, only then we create that. So if you have a global helper file with functions, please check if those function names are unique in all your project. Now let's take a look at a few more examples from other projects. And here I will use my own recently launched project laravelexamples.com, which is free and available. There is a section called Global Helpers with 7 examples of repositories, how they use global functions. So for example, accounting project, open source project, they have app utilities helpers. So this is an example that you can put your helpers file in wherever you want, in whatever folder. So for example, app utilities. Okay, fine. Then again, if not function exists, then some functions. Then in composer.json, we register the file in whatever folder it exists. And then whenever you need that function, you just call it from the controller, like user here. So that's one example. Let's take a look at another example. For example, Spotty Dashboard. They created app helpers, like I did just in my own demo project. So a few functions like gravatar or format number, and they use format natural number in the blade file. And gravatar is used in another blade file like this, even with Livewire component. And again, the file is auto-loaded with Composer.json autoload files. So this is how you can use global functions in Laravel, global PHP functions, which don't belong to any class. If you want more videos like this one with Laravel tips and PHP tips, subscribe to the channel, and also you can support the channel financially by checking out one of the 3 products that you can see on the screen. My courses, which is almost 20 courses now, my quick admin panel Laravel generator, and set of components of Livewire, livewirekit.com. See you guys in other videos.